Finding the right people on LinkedIn can take a lot of time. Scrolling through profiles, trying different keywords, and still not getting the right results. But there's a smarter way. This is the LinkedIn X-ray search tool offered by ConnectSafely.ai. It helps you generate advanced LinkedIn search queries instantly. Let me show you how it works. Right now, as you can see on my screen, I'm currently inside the tool. And the first thing you need to select is the country you want to filter out results from. And for this demo, I'll select United States. That would be great. Next thing, you need to put in the job title and let's search sales manager. Okay. Next, you can see the location or keywords to include. And I want to include B2B or software as a service. What this thing will do, it will filter out results of sales manager working in B2B or software as a service companies. Next thing is the keywords to exclude. Yes, I want to exclude interns and juniors from my search results because my focus is on getting experienced candidates for my search results. Now you can see how powerful this tool is. You can also filter the education. And for this example, let me select master's degree. The current employer is HubSpot. That would be a great example. And also you can add in the skills like B2B sales and lead generation. And that's it. I filled all the details which was asked by the tool. And as you can see, I have filled everything. And once everything is filled, the tool automatically generates a powerful LinkedIn X-ray search query. And now let me run my search request. Just look at my screen. You can see the filtered LinkedIn profiles of sales managers in the United States connected with software as a service and B2B companies based on the criteria we added. Instead of manually searching through thousands of profiles, the tool narrows down the results instantly. This is especially useful for recruiters, founders, and sales team. And the best part, it's completely free. Try the LinkedIn X-ray search tool now on connectsafely.ai. Thank you very much for watching this video and see you in another video.